Mom's property, Nick's. There's the backhoe, or the excavator, or whatever. The trailer. Now time to head over to the property. This is what we call a yard pirate. Arrgh. Okay, now it's about to cost some money. That thing's expensive to fill with diesel.
You're lucky you'll get $60.
I know.
But it's just you can't bury it.
No. Got concrete? We do. Well, not for long.
You and that, you just stack them somewhere. You know what I mean? I wish you had a pallet.
There goes our Christmas trees.
You're bound to stop.
Yeah. It's like giving someone a bouquet of flowers. Here you go. Timber. It's good. We're gonna take out that shed at the same time. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's so bright. It's so bright over here now. Look at the sun, baby. Oh man, I was gonna live in that. Anyone want to buy an E-rack? I got E-rack for sale. I know. Oh, yeah, baby!